Look at the dolphins. They talking.
I gonna smuggle with them, dude. They got to.
So now we got to kayak with the dolphins. So we just got back over here near the pool and we're laying out. The dolphin kayaking was a lot of fun. We couldn't bring any of our cameras or anything while we kayaked, but they did take some pictures for us. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. And then that was like a 30-minute excursion, I guess, type of thing. And then when we were finishing up, we had to bring the kayak in and the dolphins were following us. That was a lot of fun. They were really cute.
The reef shark is the one dolphin fin. They also the ones that are very active. They're always moving because that's how they breathe. They swim to breathe. Then you want the nurse shark. See the one on top of the tank? The nurse shark is one of the few sharks in the ocean that can breathe without having to swim around. Alright? Now you can tell the two sharks apart. Remember, the reef shark has one big dorsal fin in the middle of its back. The nurse shark has two dorsal fins, almost the same size, and they're closer towards the back of their tail. The nurse shark also has a flatter head, and they got two whiskers at the front because they're also bottom feeders. Ready? Alright. Let's head on up. Let's secure. Hands up for me, Jamal. Oh, okay. There's still time for you to go, you know, you can change your mind.
I'm pregnant.
Oh, never mind. You're not doing this. No
yeah.
way. Forget it. Forget it. You do just what you're doing.
Yeah, he told me, he's like, yeah, you can't do it.
No way, Jose.
So no, it's fine. I got the camera, so I'm
There you go.
recording.
You got an official job to do. Your job's important too. Somebody's got to document this stuff.
So I'm recording. Jamal is about to swim with these sharks, y'all. Is the camera focused? There we go. So they got him suited up. He's gonna be coming down these stairs over here, down into the water, and he's gonna be walking with the sharks. So we shall see. He's excited.
He's doing good.
Yeah.
Oh, are you next?
Absolutely not.
You're not chicken, are you?
Very much.
Then you're fine to do this. They don't eat chicken. They eat fish. You'll be alright. Yeah.
That's amazing.
That is pretty cool, right?
Yeah,
It is actually pretty awesome being in here.
I'm sure.
Big city but a small city, right?
Exactly.
$130 gets you in here for about 20 minutes with the shark. You can stand up right at the table here.
So he's got the starfish.
What is it? Oh, yeah, plenty of time. Now here's our about 20 minutes. So it feels like
How was your experience?
Hey, that was fun. When I shot, come close and man, look at that girl.
So you got shark too? Where you get that
Give
from?
me this.
Oh, that's nice.
Man, when that shark came close. Hey, that was fun.
I'm glad you had fun.
That was fun as hell.
Good morning, everybody. So today is Saturday and we just got up, showered. We are going to make it to breakfast, and then we do have to take our second COVID test, the rapid test, between 9 and 10, because we have to take that before we go on our returning flight tomorrow, which is Sunday. So yeah, yesterday I think I ended off with Jamal doing the shark walk, like in the scuba gear. So he did that, he enjoyed it, and then after that we went back to the hotel, or came back to the hotel, showered, changed, and then his cousin came and got us, and we went over to his aunt's house and had dinner with family. It was a good time, the food was great, we got to laugh and talk and enjoy. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. We came back here and then we ended up going to get ice cream from Ben & Jerry's. The ice cream was out of this world expensive. It was like $14 for a waffle cone. And we got 2 waffle cones. And then a bottle of water, which was $8. So yeah, just basically come prepared to spend money because everything is a little bit more expensive, especially near the resort. But we got our ice cream and then we went to the casino and we were in there for a good bit. We basically lost $3 and then he played blackjack with $10 and won $37. So our total profit was like $24. But yeah, so that was a lot of fun. I came back up here after that because I was getting tired. We had been literally out all day. And then I showered, got in the bed, and then he came shortly soon after that. So yeah, now today's a new day, and we're actually getting ready, like I said, to head to breakfast and then take our second COVID test. And another one of his cousins is coming to get us. She's gonna take me to the nail salon because I wanted to get my nails and my toes done. And then we need to make it back here before 1:30-ish because I have another appointment at 2 o'clock to get a massage at the spa here at Atlantis. So really excited about that. And then in between all of that, between going to the nail salon and coming back here, we're supposed to be stopping by another one of his aunt's house to speak to her, say hey. But this is what the weather is looking like today. Kind of cloudy, but still pretty bright outside. So cloudy. I was definitely exhausted yesterday. My feet were killing me, so I'm really excited to get this manicure and pedicure and soak my feet. Very much needed. So when we do some other things, maybe when we go down for breakfast and everything like that, I will definitely grab the camera and take you guys along. So we just had our COVID test. It definitely was not the same as that other one. It was way less invasive because that PCR test, they're trying to get to your brain. They go farther back in your nostrils, but this one they just really swab the bases of your nostrils. So it wasn't that bad, and it was super quick. So now we're headed to breakfast. we finished breakfast. I'm beyond full. Like, I'm so full. Really full. And we are just waiting. It's nice outside today. Enjoying the breeze, enjoying the sunshine. And his cousin should be coming to us soon, so we can get ready to go to this nail salon appointment, which I am super excited about, to relax and enjoy.
Okay, since she's going to finish this, I will wrap them up for you. I'll just give you.
Nika, love to get your nails polished in the Bahamas.
Look at the turtles. Hmm?
So they saved them from the ocean.
Oh.
Nursing them back, see? That's nice.
Oh.
Yeah, come do that.
I had one. He's so cute. He's making a circle. What do they eat?
I know if die for nothing. Wonder why for now. Yeah. This one I bet you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did da. Dada cover my face, calling me like bada. Biggie man, wait till they wear agbada. Tell me, what's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I no feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' G-Wagon,